In today's video, I'll show you how to use custom fields in Asana to organize your projects. Custom fields aren't just for storing information. You can also use them to group and organize your tasks, which makes big projects way easier to scan. Let's jump in. First, I'll open my project. Then I'll head into the list view, where I'll set up a new custom field. Next, I'll click on Add Field to open the field type picker. And I'll choose Single Select since I want a fixed set of categories to organize by. Since the title box needs an entry first, I'll click Create Field to trigger the prompt. That opens up the title box, so I'll type in Review Type to describe what this field tracks. With the title set, I'll tab over to the options list. I'll type in Internal as my first category. Then I'll tab down to the second option. I'll type in External, giving me two clear categories to sort by. Now I'll click Create Field one more time to add it to my project. To actually put it to use, I'll click into this field on Task 1. Then I'll mark it as Internal. Next, on Task 2, I'll click into the same field. This time, I'll mark it as External. With some values set, I'll click on Group to open the grouping panel. Then I'll click on Sections to change what we're grouping by. From this list, I'll click on Review Type, and just like that, my tasks reorganize themselves into clean internal and external groups. To recap, add a custom field with a few option values, assign those values to your tasks, then use Group to organize your project around that field. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.